A very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to continue our second chapter, which was more on MS Windows. In that, today we are going to learn about icons. Icons are small pictures that represent a file, folder, or a program. We can open any program directly by double clicking on its icon. So let's see about some icons. Name of this icon is computer. It displays the list of hard disk, CD drive and pen drive. Next icon is recycle bin. It displays the list of deleted files and folders. It acts as a dustbin for a computer. Name of this icon is network. It displays shared files or folders on computers connected to the network. Name of this icon is Internet Explorer. It displays the windows of popular web browser Internet Explorer. It is the software used to open the websites on the computer. Next icon is Documents. It displays the list of documents and other files associated with programs on your computer. Now, let's learn about Control Panel. The control panel has a special tools that are used to change the way Windows looks and behaves. Some of these tools help you to adjust settings that make your computer easy to use. To open the control panel windows, follow the given step. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click the control panel option. The control panel window that appears on the screen shows a number of categories. You can see many categories in control panel windows like system security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, user accounts, appearance and personalization, clock, language and region, and ease of access. Now let's see how can you adjust system volume. You can use hardware and sound categories of control panel to adjust the volume of your system. To adjust the volume, follow the given step. Step 1. Open the control panel and click on the hardware and sound option and click adjust system volume from the sound option. The volume mixer dialog box appear. Now you can drag the slider up to increase the volume and you can drag the slider down to decrease the system volume. Now let's learn about sound recorder. To record voice in the computer, you need the sound recorder program of Windows. The sound recorder records your voice. For this, you need a microphone attached to your computer for this purpose. To record your voice, follow the given step. Step 1. Click on Start button. Step 2. Click on All programs. And then Step 3. Click on Accessories. Step 4. Click on Sound Recorder option. The sound recorder program appears. To start recording your voice, follow the given step. Click the Start button. In the sound recorder program, the timer starts working and the Start Recording button changes to Stop Recording button. Step 2. Start speaking into microphone whatever you want to record. Step 3. After you finish, click the Stop Recording button to stop the recording. When you close the sound recorder window, the Save As dialog box appears. You can save this voice in a folder. So let's see how can you save recorded voice. Step 1. Give any name to audio file in the file name box. Step 2. Click the save button. The recording is saved on the desktop. Now you can use it in different applications. Now let's learn about computers inbuilt games. The Microsoft Windows has a number of inbuilt games. You play these games by clicking the desired option. Some of the games present in Windows are Purple Place, Hearts, Chess Titans, Internet Spades, etc. Now let's see how can you open a games in your computer. First, click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Programs. Step 3. Click the Games option and then choose and click the games you want to play. Dear students, like this you can open any games in your computer and you can enjoy the playing games in computer. My dear students, our second chapter has finished here. We will start our third chapter in next week. Till then, goodbye my dear students.